I will strongly encourage all the faculties to go through this training. There is so much to learn, and besides, it's such an enjoyable thing. I'm teaching two courses. One of them is E2800. It's called Electrical Circuits, and I have 198 students enrolled in that class. So I had to restructure the lectures so I can deliver good quality video materials for my students, and also I had to change the form and format of the homework assignments, quizzes, exams. What I noticed is my belief system, my teaching philosophy coincide with the mission of ACUE. The mission, in my viewpoint, the mission of ACUE is to ensure student success through wonderful, perfect instruction. So it strives to hit the notes the right way so we can give the knowledge, and there's a good connect between our delivery and the reception. There were some case studies where the teacher and the student interacted and there was some kind of gap, quite a few, and those were meant that way because along with these videos, one of the exercises that we were asked to do was what was missing. Did the professor do a good job in answering the student, or should he have done something differently? What's your thought on it? So it's a very thought-provoking type of videos.
That first top of the hour check-in really kind of gives us an opportunity to focus on the asynchronous work that led up to that.
I'm noticing the level of excitement among my students. I keep on watching what's going on. Whenever they ask me anything, I reply back within a minute. That's the key, because they notice that I'm paying attention and using all the tools from ACUE. The ACUE kind of empowers you with all these things in your mind. Like, you gotta have that desire to help them out. And there cannot be a void in between, because those are the things that will, make it bad or not so productive. So I'm happy to say that the ACUE is empowering me mentally, making me even more actively involved with vigor and excitement, enthusiasm that rubs off on my student, and they seem to enjoy the process even more.